In this video, I am going to tell you about Personalized Spatial Audio feature of iPhone. Actually, Personalized Spatial Audio on an iPhone customizes audio to better match how you hear sound. It does this by creating a personal profile that represents your head and ear shape using your iPhone's True Depth camera. To use this in your iPhone, first go to Settings, then scroll down and open Sound and Haptics. Here, scroll down till bottom. You can see this personalized spatial audio. Tap on it, then tap here again. This screen appears, and here it is mentioned that you can use your iPhone camera to personalize spatial audio according to the shape of your ear. Now tap on Continue. Here, iPhone camera will capture your face. Now you can see face is captured, and you have to simply tap on Done. Now personalized spatial audio is activated on your iPhone to make audio listening better for you. That's it for the video so far. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.